Highway surveyors in Faridabad play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of our road networks. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys to gather essential data that is used in the design and construction of highways. The information collected by highway surveyors includes topography, existing infrastructure, soil conditions, and other relevant factors that can affect the construction process. By using advanced surveying techniques and equipment, these experts ensure accurate measurements and precise mapping of the area. Their expertise is essential in ensuring the safety and efficiency of our road systems. One of the key tasks of highway surveyors in Faridabad is to design the layout of the highways. This involves determining the best alignment, considering factors such as traffic flow, terrain, and environmental impact. SCON design, or Superelevation Crossfall Offsets Network design, is an important aspect of highway design that highway surveyors utilize. It involves creating a network of points with calculated offsets to ensure proper drainage and stability of the road. By incorporating SCON design principles, surveyors can create a road that minimizes the risk of accidents caused by skidding. The work of highway surveyors in Faridabad extends beyond just the initial design phase. They also play a vital role in monitoring the construction process to ensure that it adheres to the proposed plan. This includes conducting regular inspections to check the accuracy of measurements and alignment, as well as checking for any deviations from the design. By closely monitoring the construction activities, surveyors can identify and address any issues promptly, minimizing delays and ensuring that the final highway meets all safety standards. In addition to their role in designing and constructing highways, highway surveyors in Faridabad also contribute to the maintenance and improvement of existing roads. In Faridabad, highway surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of our road networks. These experts are in charge of carrying out comprehensive surveys to acquire crucial information for the planning and building of roadways. Highway surveyors gather data on terrain, existing infrastructure, soil conditions, and other essential elements that may influence the building process. These professionals guarantee precise measurements and correct mapping of the area by utilizing cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. Their knowledge is crucial for ensuring the effectiveness and safety of our transportation networks. Designing the layout of the roadways is one of the main responsibilities of highway surveyors in Faridabad. This entails choosing the optimal alignment while taking terrain, traffic flow, and other considerations into consideration. Highway surveyors in Faridabad are essential to the construction and upkeep of our road networks. These specialists are in charge of performing thorough research to compile crucial information for the planning and building of roadways. Topography, already existing infrastructure, soil conditions, and other pertinent elements that may have an impact on the building process are among the data that highway surveyors gather. These professionals make sure that measurements are precise